Welcome to our channel. Luxury travel doesn't always require a massive budget if you know the right strategies. Step 1. Join hotel loyalty programs to earn points and receive upgrades at check-in. Step 2. Travel during shoulder season when luxury hotels offer significant discounts. Step 3. Use credit card points or miles strategically for business class flights and premium hotels. Step 4. Look for package deals that combine flights, hotels, and experiences at reduced rates. Step 5. Book directly with hotels and negotiate for complimentary upgrades or amenities. Step 6. Splurge selectively by choosing luxury for some aspects while economizing on others. Step 7. Research all-inclusive resorts that provide value through bundled meals and activities. Step 8. Sign up for flash sale alerts from luxury travel websites. Step 9. Consider luxury services like private tours or spa treatments in destinations where they're more affordable. Step 10. Use platforms offering luxury experiences at discounted prices. Step 11. Enhance your experience with small indulgences like room service or premium seats. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.